Welcome to our topic. Today we will share about to not blaming each other. We face in many areas of our life, maybe in the home or in the workplace area. We will face in some situation to blaming each other. Instead of blaming, now let's we try to understand why they are talking like that, why they are doing like that, and why they are yelling like this. And we practice a little. We try to listen in some case, and there may be something they are doing like this because they are very hungry. In some case they are talking like this because they don't get enough sleep. Or they are very hungry, in a hurry. And in one situation is when they love, they want to protect some person, and so they may be in good situation in other side. So they may be something like that. And the positive is conversation. Many situation area of our life today now there may be sometime we are sitting alone and don't want to do anything but to be survive and move forward and keep going. The conversation, maybe a little bit of conversation, family, friendship, partner in the far away, and maybe the deep conversation even better when we meet again. The conversation is the beauty of our life in a humankind, and to create is even better. So now we will stop it on the tuning. To not blame, we practice together to listen and to think why maybe get enough sleep, or maybe very hungry, or maybe many about the social love and want to protecting about it. And the conversation is the conversation is maybe like the the energy to keep our life moving, and we will see it again. So if you have any question, comment down below and let me know. And thank you for your coming. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for today, and now I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. See you again.